This video reveals how I transformed a simple scalping strategy into a powerhouse crypto trading method, with a 500% increase in win rate and a massive 50% reduction in drawdown. If you are an intermediate trader, this video is exactly for you. I took a basic scalping strategy from YouTube, ran extensive backtests and discovered one small tweak that exploded the win rate by over 500% and cut the drawdown in half. The result blew my mind, and they'll shock you too. Now, before I reveal the exact numbers, you need to understand the method behind this madness. The original strategy comes from Core Trading's popular video Simple Scalping Strategy, and it was initially designed for scalping Euro-USD on a 5-minute chart. Here's exactly how it works. The strategy uses two EMAs, a 30 EMA and a 50 EMA. When the fast EMA comes above the slow EMA, that means there's an uptrend, and when it's below, then a downtrend. The Bollinger Band with its default values is then used for determining the entry signals. Enter a long trade when prices crosses below the lower Bollinger Band in an uptrend, or enter short when the price crosses above the upper Bollinger Band in a downtrend. Both the take profit and stop loss settings make use of the average true range and a coefficient. The stop loss is set at 1.1, which is the stop loss coefficient times the ATR, and the take profit target is another coefficient, here 1.5 times the stop loss distance. In the original video, this strategy was initially tested and it delivered a positive return of over 200% over 3 months on the Euro-USD, but with a problematic maximum drawdown of 17%. Now, when I tested it on crypto markets, performance was much weaker, achieving only a 6% win rate on the 4-hour chart as the best results. Far too low to be profitable on the long term. But this is what I did to dramatically enhance the original method. First, I introduced an adaptive Bollinger Band that dynamically adjusts periods and standard deviations based on market volatility. It also incorporates a Keltner channel for improved volatility detection. But the most important change here is that in change of entering on pullbacks, I enter trades when price breaks out of the adaptive bands, capturing the return in momentum rather than counter-trend moves. So the new entry rules for this improved strategy are that the fast EMA should be still above the slow EMA for major trend detection, but the actual long entry happens when price crosses above the upper adaptive Bollinger Band. And in a downtrend, these rules are reversed. The short EMA should be below the long EMA, and short entries happen when price crosses below the lower adaptive Bollinger Band. Now, take profit still remains at 1.5 times the stop loss, and the stop loss stays as 1.1 times the ATR. Also, another additional exit position happens when the price returns to the middle band if market volatility contracts significantly. So, now let's compare the results. In the original strategy, only a 6% win rate, huge drawdowns and limited profitability was acquired. But with the adjusted strategy, there is a hugely improved 37% win rate, hypothetical profits increased significantly, more crypto pairs favor this way of trading, and finally drawdowns were cut by half. This improvement proves one key point. Small strategic adjustments can dramatically change your results. Now here's where I think the original strategy goes wrong and where the alternative version has major improvements. First of all, the original strategy could be waiting for pullbacks that will never happen. A momentum-driven entry makes use of the momentum of a trend and so may consistently outperform traditional pullback entries by doing this. If there is a pullback, then in some cases the pullback may continue and the dip keeps on dipping. Also, small indicator tweaks might be underestimated. Minor adjustments can massively increase profitability. But in the end, always validate your strategy with testing, like paper trading or dry running, before real trades happen. And you might even enhance this strategy further by considering adjusting your risk to reward ratio or refining indicator settings, because even tiny changes can lead to big gains. Now, if this trading strategy blew your mind, then smash that like button right now. Subscribe immediately so you never miss any other high profit trading strategies for the future. And if you want to have the full backtest report or my Python code to automate testing and trading this strategy 24/7, then check out the link in the description for my Patreon, because all files are over there. And for those who are new to algorithmic trading, I've written a book that helps you to get started fast. Grab your copy below and begin your trading automation journey today. And if you're serious about maximizing profits, then watch my future videos, because I will continue to search for the best trading strategies for crypto. Thanks for watching and goodbye.